Hey everybody, welcome back to another terrific episode of The Practical Divorce Lawyer. Hey everybody, in case you're new here, I'm Jonathan Noble, divorce and family law attorney, and I want to make a quick video about something that I see through the lens of a divorce lawyer. I want you to think about this. If you're in a relationship where you do all of the work and you feel exhausted and you're basically on call for the other person to deal with all their issues, you may be known as a fixer, right? Somebody that fixes this other person's problems constantly. And I want to make this video because it's not going to end well. Nobody could be a fixer forever, or if you are, you're going to become a shell of your former self. And through the lens of a divorce lawyer, I see it happen all too often. A fixer is someone who has good intentions, but they help other people at the cost of their own emotional health. Now, whether you're in a relationship with someone or unfortunately married to somebody who constantly needs you to fix things in their lives, which they should and could be able to do on their own, but you are compelled to do it, you're going to work yourself into the ground. And it's going to affect your health, mental health, physical health. You're not going to sleep well. It's going to be a disaster. So you need reciprocity in a relationship where you're both leveling each other up. You're taking care of each other. I've seen too many divorce cases where the fixer takes on that role. And they're afraid that if they stop being a fixer, then the relationship will fall apart and they'll lose their identity. No, they're slowly killing themselves by continuing to try to fix issues that could and should be fixed by the person causing the issues. So what's the remedy if you're a fixer? And this is a complicated subject, so just bear in mind that I'm a divorce lawyer. I'm not a psychologist or psychiatrist or a therapist. I'm just telling you what I see through the lens of a divorce lawyer, where the fixer can't fix anymore. They've had it. They're exhausted. What can you do if you're a fixer? Number one thing, set boundaries and say, look, I can't continue to fix you. I can't continue to fix the problems that you may cause on your own. Set boundaries, all right? I want to keep you out of my office. I want to keep you out of divorce court. I want to have you live your best life, right? Now, with that being said, a great relationship, people are going to have their ups and downs, and you're there for each other. But if it's a one-way street and you're doing all the fixing and it's exhausting you, do something about it before your health deteriorates and before you have to come to a divorce lawyer's office, all right? Drop a comment, like, subscribe. Love to have you as part of the community. Share this with somebody who needs to see it, a real fixer, because they're going to end up 10, 20, 30 years later and look back and say, oh my God, I didn't set any boundaries, all right? Boundaries are your best friend. Be careful out there.